The small screen is not able to hold the strong heart of Switch anymore. We need a portable, bigger screen for Switch. This is C-Force on-the-go portable monitor. It makes your Switch and mobile phone bigger. Games or love? C-Force gives you both. This is the simplest way to make your Switch bigger. C-Force is your personal monitor at any time and anywhere. It can also make your Samsung S8, S9 bigger. It's got 2 extended USB-A ports for keyboard or mouse or Ethernet. You can also enjoy games and mobile phone with C-Force. Zero delay for real-time games. C-Force can be used as the second screen for your MacBook. Only a C-to-C cable is needed instead of HDMI cable. C-Force, your personal on-the-go monitor.
Razer Sila isn't just any ordinary router. It's locked and loaded with advanced features to take back control of your Wi-Fi so you'll never experience lag again. With Razer Fast Track technology, it's easy to create an ideal gaming environment by prioritizing specific apps. This means you can give your game top priority and let the other apps take a back seat. You can even prioritize your device over everyone else's, so you get the lion's share of the bandwidth. Sometimes the lag isn't within your home network, but due to traffic in the vicinity. Razer Sila's multi-channel zero-weight DFS allows access to 4 exclusive channels, usually only reserved for radars, and switches between them seamlessly, so you won't ever sense a drop in connection. No more stuttering on your favorite streams just because everyone is tuning in at the same time. Dead Wi-Fi spots are a thing of the past. Razer Sila's robust mesh network ensures you'll never have to wait for a video to buffer due to poor coverage zones again. Simply set up a second Razer Sila unit to tap on our hybrid wireless mesh and unlock up to 6,000 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage without compromising on throughput. And if that's not enough, a third Razer Sila delivers up to a massive 9,000 square feet of total coverage. With the Razer Sila, you now have total control in your hands. Take charge of your connection and engage the best gaming performance ever. Command your Wi-Fi.
Cooler Master is proud to present ControlPad, the world's first keypad with pressure-sensitive control. Designed for gamers, creative professionals, and everyone in between, ControlPad comes with 24 mechanical switches, full RGB backlighting, magnetic wrist rest, and more. But what really sets ControlPad apart from all other keypads is the revolutionary AimPad technology that gives you unprecedented control. AimPad, the brainchild of Lance Matson, lead engineer behind AimPad technology.
So an AimPad switch is different from a normal mechanical switch in that a normal mechanical switch is just on or off. Similar to like how you're using a light switch. Everyone's turned a light switch on and they know that the light's on. AimPad is different in that it's similar to using a dimmer switch based off of wherever you move that switch up and down is how bright the lights are. And AimPad works in the same type of technology, that it can sense how far down a key is being pressed based off of how much light is being reflected back to the sensor.
Cooler Master teamed up with Lance in a bid to change how we use keyboards both in gaming and professional applications. ControlPad takes that tech and combines it with 24 mechanical switches of your choice, Cherry MX or Gateron. Play games the way they were meant to be played. Maneuver turns seamlessly. Switch from run to walk to creep, just like when using a controller without sacrificing your aim with a mouse. ControlPad doesn't need to be limited to gaming. It has the potential to be used with professional applications, and that's where you come in. We worked on the product. Now it's time to develop the software with your help. We want to work with the community to see which functions you'd like to have for ControlPad. We're sure ControlPad can be used in ways we haven't even thought of yet. And with your backing, we hope to produce an analog keypad that meets your needs. Join us, make it yours, and let's bring this project to life together.
Esports is the most extreme activity done with a keyboard, but the keyboard wasn't designed for gaming. Professionals in their early 20s are suffering frequent neck, back, and wrist issues. If they're already experiencing health problems, what will be like in 10 years? And for the millions playing computer games every day? Hi, I'm Luis Daylor Sevilla, founder and CEO of Dygma, former Fnatic League of Legends head coach, and 2 times EULCS champion. Looking for solutions for my players, I discovered that the keyboard that we use for gaming hasn't changed in 30 years, and that's way too long. During the last 14 months, we've been prototyping and testing with users. We've created a beautiful, premium quality mechanical gaming keyboard designed to improve performance, health, and comfort. It's called Raze. A normal keyboard forces the wrist to bend towards the pinky side of your hand. Raze's split design allows you to rotate both halves so you reduce the strain in wrist and shoulders. Raze has a full aluminum body, the connectors and joints are magnetic, and the cable gives you an extra USB port. You can create multiple fully configurable layouts and toggle instantly between them, and assign to each group of keys a different backlight color. And the underglow will give you visual feedback when you change layouts. Raze has the functionality of a full-size keyboard in a much smaller footprint. It's crazy that we use both thumbs for only one massive key. Raze has 8 thumb keys. They are comfortable to use because they are in the area where our thumbs naturally rest. Raze is a keyboard and a gaming keypad in the same device. You can detach any side and the other will still work. This way you can have more space for your mouse while you're gaming. It's comfortable for both left and right-handed gamers. There are many kinds of mechanical switches. All Raze switches are hot swappable, so you can easily pull them out and replace them whenever you want. Regular keyboards bend the wrist up, creating strain over time. Palm rests are needed to raise the wrist, making a neutral angle. If you want a premium quality mechanical gaming keyboard with a beautiful design that can help improve performance, health, and comfort, support us. Let's make Raze a reality.